Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Fish. Yeah.
It's the beach
Fish.
fish. Nice.
Red snapper.
Ooh.
I put it in the
Deep fryer.
fryer.
Okay,
I'm
June.
gonna do rice on pizza by yourself.
Show me the rice and peas, June. Fabulous.
And this is more fish.
Mmm. Yum.
This is the fried chicken.
Okay.
Chicken.
Hey fams, happy Sunday. So today we are getting into, oh, hold on, there is a centipede on my wall and I don't like them things. We are having the housewarming, a housewarming today. And I should have done it this way, but we're having a housewarming today. Yes, baby. And we're cooking and cleaning and, you know, doing all the things. So I kind of wanted to just take you guys along as much as I can, because, you know, it's my family. I don't really know if everybody wants to be on camera like that, so but I'll do the best I can. But I just wanted to show you guys some new things that I got for the hutch. But I did get some things from Dollar Tree. I just picked up like some bowls and some teacups, so let me show you right quick. So I got these 3 teacups, and I love them because they are huge, you guys. I mean, I love to drink soup out of cups, big cups, so it'll be good for soups, hot, you know, hot coffee, hot chocolate, whatever. And then I got these bowls as well from Dollar Tree, and y'all know I just could not wait to put them up and use them. Yeah, guys, so that is what the hutch is looking like. I'm slowly but surely filling it out and making it what I really want it to be. So super excited about that. But yep, Nyla doesn't want to go. Ooh, that's dark. Nyla doesn't want to go upstairs at all. So she's been down here all day because she doesn't want to go upstairs, which I understand. It's quiet, it's peaceful. So I'm gonna head upstairs and kind of take you guys around and show you guys what's going on. I'm putting this on my YouTube channel, guys, so if you don't want to be on it, let me know.
I don't want to be on it.
Okay. There goes the shrimp. Getting ready to cook,
This is
Oh my gosh, y'all.
And I've been in Georgia for, you know,
2 days.
No, the 3rd time. The first time was my oldest. He have a house opening, and then yesterday have a baby shower. And today his younger brother have his house opening. So I am blessed, and I thank God for this journey with them. It wasn't easy, but I thank God we're still here.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just just two, me and you. More than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, 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 I just feel so lucky. Oh, 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 still can't believe you love me. Falling into your arms, dancing up in the stars. Oh, where I'd rather be than with you. Oh, 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 I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. Still can't believe you love me.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and just a little bit of a light cleaning. I know it wasn't much of a video, but I hope that what you guys was able to see was good and a little bit of light entertainment for you. So it is actually almost 1 o'clock in the morning, you guys, and I have to get up to go to work in like 4 hours. So I just wanted to do a little voiceover for you guys and tell you guys thank you so much for your awesome support and love and kindness, and that I will see you guys in the next episode. Don't forget that all the links are down below in the description box to whatever it is that you want to support, and we are so grateful. So remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Also, I do want to mention that if you guys are interested in watching my cleaning videos, I do have my cleaning channel listed down below in the description box, where you can go and see this video and other videos in its entirety. So thank you so much for your support on that.